Take a look at any shelter in Tampa Bay and you will find dozens of posters with missing dogs and cats. Hillsborough County Sheriff's Deputy Noah Johnson is often finding the lost animals.
It's usually about every shift. You know, a deputy will find at least one, a dog or a cat.
Today, Johnson checking on the pit bull he picked up Saturday.
Very sweet, yeah. All he wants to do is be petted.
A dog he found wandering in an apartment complex in East Tampa.
When I showed up, the dog was extremely emaciated. And you can see the bone, his rib cage and his hip bones. And he was a pretty young dog, but it looked like a stray because it wasn't even neutered yet.
Taking it to the closest vet, learning he had no microchip.
And then the dog just was wagging its tail and smiling, not barking at all, just really kind.
Worried the happy guy might be euthanized, Johnson just by chance ran into the editor-in-chief of the New Barker, a local dog magazine. Anna Cook having a great idea to help find this stray a home.
There was just something about him, so I said to Deputy Johnson, I will put his picture on the New Barker Facebook page and said any rescue group who is able to pull the dog, we will donate advertising for a year in the New Barker. So that got some interest.
Within 24 hours, the Humane Society of Tampa Bay answering the call.
We happen to have space. Space is an issue with large dogs like pit bulls. We only have 25 large kennels, but we happen to have an opening, so we were able to say that we would come pick him up.
Now this dog, once just a number, is named Gunner and will be available for adoption in a few weeks.
Local shelters say Gunner's story is why neutering and spaying your dog or cat is so important. The Hillsborough County Pet Resource Center actually offers this voucher. Get your pet fixed for $10. You have to qualify, however, showing proof of limited income. Laura?